Meet John, a 45-year-old man from New York who detoxified his kidneys completely. Like many of us, John was living a fast-paced life and was caught up in the daily grind. But one day, John realized that his body was giving him signs that something was not right. He was suffering from chronic fatigue, low energy levels, and most alarmingly, his kidney function was not at its best. Determined to take control of his health, John embarked on a journey of self-discovery and healing. He educated himself on the power of natural foods and the benefits they can have on the kidneys. And that's when he stumbled upon a revolutionary idea, incorporating superfoods into his daily diet, along with making other lifestyle changes. John was determined not to let his kidney issues control his life and was willing to go the extra mile to heal his body naturally. The results were nothing short of amazing. Tune in as we discover how these 7 natural detox superfoods and lifestyle changes can help you on your journey to optimal kidney function. Before we jump in, we should review the significance of kidney detoxification. Why do our kidneys need it? The kidneys are 2 small bean-shaped organs that are located in the back of the abdomen, near the spine. They are a crucial component of the urinary system and play several important roles in maintaining overall health. The primary function of the kidneys is to filter waste and toxins from the blood, which are then excreted as urine. This filtration process helps to maintain the balance of essential substances, such as electrolytes, minerals, and fluids in the blood. The kidneys also play a vital role in regulating blood pressure by producing a hormone called renin that helps control the amount of fluid in the blood. The kidneys also play a role in producing red blood cells, and they help regulate the levels of various minerals and vitamins in the blood, such as calcium and vitamin D. Additionally, the kidneys help to activate a form of vitamin D, which is necessary for strong bones. Damage to the kidneys can lead to a decline in their function and a buildup of waste and toxins in the blood. This can result in a number of serious health problems, including kidney failure, anemia, and electrolyte imbalances. Number 7 on our list is a superfood everyone knows: ginger. Ginger is a common household ingredient packed with health benefits, especially for the kidneys. It contains anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that help to reduce oxidative stress, which can cause damage to the kidneys. The active compound in ginger, called gingerols, helps to prevent the growth of bacteria in the kidneys and boosts antioxidant levels in the body. To reap the benefits of ginger, it is recommended to consume 3 grams of fresh ginger root daily, or to take a ginger supplement under the guidance of a healthcare professional. You can also add ginger to your daily diet by grating it into smoothies, tea, or stir-fried dishes. This next natural kidney cleanser, which is 6 in our list, is packed with powerful nutrients and antioxidants: parsley. Consuming parsley in the form of parsley water can help to flush out toxins and waste from the kidneys, reducing the burden on these important organs. To make parsley water, simply soak a large bunch of parsley in a mixture of water and vinegar, then rinse and boil for 10 minutes. Drinking 1 cup of this water daily can help to cleanse the kidneys and support optimal kidney function. Parsley is also rich in potassium, which can help to reduce high blood pressure and strengthen the kidneys, making it a valuable addition to your diet if you are concerned about kidney health. Number 5 is cranberries. Cranberries are a powerhouse of nutrients that support overall kidney health. They contain a unique compound called arbutin, which has diuretic and antimicrobial properties that help to prevent urinary tract infections. Arbutin helps to flush out harmful toxins and bacteria from the kidneys, keeping them healthy and functioning optimally. To consume cranberries for kidney health, you can drink 100% pure cranberry juice, eat dried cranberries, or add fresh cranberries to your salads and smoothies. Aim for about 1 cup of cranberries per day to get the best benefits for your kidneys. Number 4 is a versatile and well-known superfood that has a powerful impact on kidney function, which is garlic. It has antioxidant properties that help to eliminate toxins from the kidneys, while its natural diuretic properties aid in the removal of excess fluid from the body. This can help to reduce the risk of kidney damage and disease caused by high levels of sugar and high blood pressure. Additionally, garlic has the ability to lower cholesterol levels, which can also help to improve kidney health. To enjoy the benefits of garlic, try incorporating it into your daily diet by adding minced garlic to recipes or taking a supplement. The recommended daily intake is about 4 cloves or 2,400 to 3,000 milligrams of garlic extract. The next herb is ranked 3 on the list of superfoods for kidney health: turmeric. Another herb that can greatly benefit your kidneys is known for its powerful antioxidant properties. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, neutralizes toxins and reduces inflammation in the kidneys, helping to keep them healthy. In addition, turmeric can help balance blood pressure and lower the risk of diabetes, a major risk factor for kidney disease. To reap the benefits of turmeric, it is recommended to supplement of standardized curcumin extract, taken up to 3 times daily. To include turmeric in your diet naturally, you can just add it to soups, stews, curries, and even smoothies. Aim to consume around 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder daily. Number 2, dandelion root. Dandelion root is a powerful herb that plays an important role in supporting kidney health. This herb helps to promote increased urine production, which in turn helps to flush out toxins and waste from the kidney. Additionally, the dandelion root contains high levels of potassium, which helps to replace any potassium lost in the urine and prevent the development of urinary tract infections. To consume dandelion root, you can drink dandelion tea, add dried dandelion root to your smoothies or soups, or take a supplement that contains dandelion extract. The recommended daily dose of dandelion root is between 500 to 1,500 milligrams. However, it's always best to consult with your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen. Our number one on the list is the renal protector, ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba is a superfood that is known for its powerful renal protective effects. This herb is rich in antioxidants that help to counteract the harmful effects of toxins in the kidney and reduce inflammation. Additionally, ginkgo biloba helps to improve blood flow and circulation, which is crucial for overall kidney function. To consume ginkgo biloba, you can take supplements in the form of capsules or extract, typically in doses of 120 to 240 milligrams per day. You can also find ginkgo biloba as an ingredient in some teas and herbal blends. Detoxifying your kidneys is a crucial aspect of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Simply eating the right foods is not enough. It's essential to take the necessary steps to change your lifestyle habits to better support a kidney detox. Here are 6 habits you should adopt to help your kidneys function optimally and remove waste and toxins effectively. Number 6, stay hydrated. Adequate hydration is crucial for the kidneys to carry out their functions. The kidneys use fluids to filter waste and toxins from the blood, so drinking plenty of water will help the kidneys perform this function more effectively. Aim to drink at least 6 cups of water per day and monitor your urine to ensure that it is clear or close to clear. This is a good indicator of proper hydration. Number 5, limit sodium intake. A high sodium intake can increase the amount of calcium in the urine, increasing the risk of kidney stones. It can also lead to high blood pressure, which can harm the blood vessels leading to the kidneys and causing kidney damage. By limiting processed foods and increasing fresh, nutrient-rich foods, you can help reduce sodium intake and support kidney health. Number 4, get enough sleep. Sleep is an important part of the body's repair process, including kidney repair. During sleep, the body produces hormones that help to reduce inflammation and promote tissue growth and repair. Ensure you get enough restful sleep each night to help your kidneys and the rest of your body function optimally. Number 3, exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can improve circulation, which helps to increase the flow of oxygen and nutrients to the kidneys. This can boost kidney function and reduce the risk of chronic kidney disease. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine to support your overall health, including your kidney health. Number 2, avoid artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners have been linked to weight gain and an increased risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke, which can harm the blood vessels leading to the kidneys and causing kidney damage. To support your kidney health, opt for natural sweeteners instead. Number 1, avoid overusing painkillers. Long-term use of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, or Tylenol can cause damage to the blood vessels leading to the kidneys, causing kidney damage. This can lead to a decline in kidney function over time. Be mindful of your painkiller usage and avoid taking large doses or using them for extended periods of time. As we've seen, incorporating these superfoods and making simple lifestyle changes can greatly impact the health and function of your kidneys. Whether you're looking to prevent kidney problems or support your existing kidney health, these superfoods can help you on your journey to optimal health. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel and check out other health-related videos. But while you are here, check out this video right now. It will surely be yet another enlightening journey for you.